Hi all, I'm your friend Rani Subramanian. Welcome back to Kesaria Textile Family. I hope all are safe and doing great. I'm also busy for this festival season by putting on the videos and creating videos of many projects has come for this festival season. Watch this video. Today also brought for you some new unique varieties from fancy boutique varieties. I just want to show you the counter. This is a counter of the bunches of collections you're watching here. These are all varieties. You can see the fancy boutique varieties. If I talk about the fancy boutique varieties, which starts from only 200 rupees from Kesaria at a factory cost. So I can tell you, retailers, if you're really interested to start in a clothing business, you can directly visit once Kesaria Manufactures, which is located at Surat City Ring Road, Millennium Textile Building 1. First floor, Ring Road, Kamila Darwaza Signal Point. By airport, you can visit by half an hour. By train also, you can reach by 10 minutes. You have a pickup of facilities also. So we do have a language communication sales executives online, also even offline. You can do live purchasing or video calling also. If you couldn't travel, 50,000 advance, pre-advance booking, also international. By countries, you can do it. So I'm going to show you now exclusive varieties of fancy sarees, which starts from 200 rupees. Just see the video and just click it and take on and you can place an order. So let's see the samples. The first pattern, which is a beautiful Rani color, I can say the batik print has been given. Only the mirror work sarees. If you want the only mirror work sarees like this sarees, which is gold chain is the code. And in this, you can see a beautiful concept of the sari work. You can see here the Rani color, which is a batik print. And in this, you have a color chart. All these exclusive collections you can purchase set to set is a white with dark Rani color with the golden jerry with this one. And the next pattern, Kesar Kasturi is the code. The dark, I can see the chocolate color with the half white, which is a mountain pattern is design has been done, and only the silver stone has been placed. If I talk about the Surat manufacturers, there are many manufacturers, but you have to see what kind of sarees or what kind of production, how they're doing, and you have to purchase. Everyone says where manufacturers, but you have to see the back end storage of the stock, how they're maintaining. And this you have to buy at factory price. The quality of the fabrics also. This is a Kundan pattern is the code. In this also you have a collections. When I talk about the manufacturers, you have to see the benefits, you have to see the color chart, you have to see the fabrics. There is a Jimichu fabric, there is a satin fabric, there is a velvet based fabric, we have a weightless fabrics, many more contrasted two-tone sheets, colors, many more collections are there. So you have to always choose the colors and the combinations of the pattern according to your country, according to your city, how you are doing the business. Either it's a boutique or it's online or a shop or a showroom, it depends. So this such varieties, the code is called Zeal is the code. And this also you can see a dark golden stone with the lace, mini lace you can see over here on the satin. Such a beautiful subtle colors which is very classy, which is very simple. We do have a simple sober, we do have a classy colors, we do have a dark tone sheets, color charts, we do have a contrasted color charts with even blouse. Every sari when you buy, if you need a matching blouse, is also the sari length should be 630 meters. You have to check and you have to buy with the manufacturer. And every sari there will be a mention with blouse or without blouse. And the next pattern you can see here, the beautiful thread work has been done and the satin highlighted with the border. Here is the satin highlighted border with the 3-place stone on the leaf pattern. The stone has been placed, which looks very shiny. The code is called Text Plaza. There's a Text Plaza is the code. By saying this code through video calling also, you can purchase these collections. All these exclusive varieties, which starts from only 200 rupees at factory price. If I talk about the highest price, it's only up to 2,000 to 3,000. Multiple varieties, season to season. The manufacturers are production they are doing, and we are supporting to the retailers. If you want to invest on the clothing business, just visit and you can clear all your doubts. Then this is the running blouse. And if I talk about the next trending sarees, which is very, very casual and fast moving, the digital printed, not only suit, not only dupatta, we do have a fancy sarees also. In this you can see the dark grey color shade, and this is Shimla 2 is the code. Such a beautiful fancy tassels of the thread work you can see here. And here is the border, the floral gardenery pattern you can see here, the chumki work is a shining actually. So the work of the designer boutique sarees are very totally different and unique collections you can keep, and this sarees are a well margin profitable business. So no worries, you can also have a guidance and suggestions how to keep, and according to city, according to metro cities, the boutique sarees business are having a well profit business. So that's why you have to visit, I can say. And we do have a website page. We are into social media pages on the languages. According to your language, you can watch the video and you can purchase. The next pattern, which is a dark contrasted color of the multicolor shade. And here you can see on the thread work, the stone has been placed. The mild stone with the parallel patterns. This is also one of the pattern. And this pattern you will buy easily. Where do we have many more varieties, this collections. Every pattern we provide the color chart. Kesaria deals with wholesale. We are manufacturers. We provide you set to set. Either you buy saree, either you buy kurti, suit, material, or dupatta, bottom, anything. It depends on the color chart with the product design and the price variance. So this is the pattern. And last pattern where you can see the sequins and the chunky work. On the beautiful coffee brown lace border, the stone has been placed. Light two-tone shade, I can say. The dark coffee brownish color, I can see here. Such a beautiful on the zigzag pattern. The work has been done on the sari. Such new unique varieties you have to keep at your business according to season. If you're from out of India, you sit in international countries, you can easily purchase. We do provide you safe and secured transport and shipping services. So we are providing with the language, even in the online, even in the offline, we do have a sales executives to support you, to guide you according to your investment, the business, the segment, whatever you're choosing here. Right manufacturers with multiple varieties, with the quality, multiple fabrics, designs you have to see and purchase. And the services, benefits, online, video calling purchase, live purchase also. So visit once Kesaria, which is located at Surat City, Ring Road, Millennium Textile Building 1, first floor. We do provide you the pickup drop facilities. Numbers are on the screen. Let me know in the comment box from which city or which country you're watching the video, and I'll support, and what kind of collections you're looking for. Please come let me know at the comment box. Subscribe to the channel. Keep sharing the link with your friends, relatives, with everyone. Next video, I'll come up with many more new products, with new segments, with collections. So keep supporting me. Next video, we'll meet up. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.